Hey, I'm Kelsey, creator of the InDesign Field Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export two kinds of PDFs and a JPEG file in Adobe InDesign. Let's go! So I'm going to use my InDesign Cliff Notes PDF guide as an example, shameless plug, to show you these first two types of PDFs that you can export from InDesign. So first we're going to go to File, Export. I'm going to save these to my desktop, and the first thing we're going to do is select Adobe PDF Interactive down here in the format. And I'm going to label each of these files so we can compare the file size. So this is my interactive one, and I'll click Save. Now in this window we get a few options where you can kind of fully customize what your final file is going to be. Now the most common things that you might change here would be the page range. If you just want to export a range of pages or individual pages, you can change that here. I'm going to select all so we can export our full file. You can also adjust the quality of any images in your file by clicking compression and adjusting the JPEG quality right here. Now most everything else can stay as the default, and so I'll make sure that my all is selected and I will click export. So now let's export one for print and we'll compare the two. So you can go back to File and Export, and this time we're going to select Adobe PDF Print. I'll label this as print and I will click Save again. Now this export window is a little bit different. It has a few more options than the interactive PDF window, but again, most of this can stay as a default for most projects. They even have some presets up here, but again, if you're printing something, you want it to be high quality. So you can change the page range again here if you want to export just certain pages or individual pages. We're going to select all again. And if you want to add any printer's marks, like including your bleed, and those types of things, if you're printing this professionally, then this is where you would turn those things on. I don't have that set up on this file, so I will leave them off. And pretty much everything else can stay the same. So then I'll click Export, and it will show me up here that that's working in the background to export my file. So once that's done, I will go to where these two files were saved. Here's my interactive, and here is my print. So I'll hit Command-I to see the information on the interactive file. It's 505 kilobytes, so about half of a megabyte. And if I look at the info for the print version, this is 1 full megabyte. So the interactive version, which is great for emailing and downloading on a website or a blog, it's about half the size, which is a lot faster for a download than the print version. Okay, lastly, what if you just want to export a JPEG or a few JPEGs for social media graphics or something like that? So we'll use this file of some Instagram story designs as an example. So I have several story slides here that I want to use for Instagram, and we'll export those each as individual JPEG files. So again, we're going to go to File, Export, and this time we're going to make sure the format says JPEG. And we'll click Save. And in this export window, again, we can select a range if we want. Let's say I'm going to export pages 7 through 10. If you want to adjust the image quality, you can do that here. And the rest of these things we can leave as a default for most projects. So I'll click Export. And keep in mind here that if you select all or even a page range, it's going to export each page in your file as a separate JPEG, since a JPEG can only be one page. So if we go to our desktop here where it's saved these, and I select each of these files here to preview, it's saved each slide in a separate file, and it's numbered them so I can keep them all straight and in order.
If you want more Adobe InDesign training, watch my free workshop where I break down the most popular design apps and programs and show you when it's best to use each one. You can do way more with InDesign than you probably realize. Plus, I'll walk through exactly how to design a PDF worksheet and promo graphic from start to finish using only InDesign. Click that first link in the description below to watch the free workshop right now. Go ahead, click it. You know you want to.